Welcome back. Hey, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I certainly am enjoying putting them together for you as we wait in anticipation for this executive order about cryptocurrency that's got everybody, worried. Sitting up here with a $38,000 Bitcoin, and I'm just thinking about how the market cap was at 1 trillion and it's at 723 billion now. We lost about 320 billion right off the top of Bitcoin in anticipation of what's going to happen as the federal government rains down its regulation and posturing and trying to figure out what they're going to do. But I got a question for y'all. Are you comfortable? Because the truth of the matter is that, everybody's worried about whether Bitcoin's going to continue to go down. Folks, it already went down. It already went down from 60,000 to 38,000. I personally think my gut is telling me that we're already at the bottom. I don't see it going back down to $25,000. I don't see it. I don't see it. It's not in anyone's best interest. It's not in the federal government's best interest. It's not in our best interest. It's not in the world's best interest. Nobody wants to sell their Bitcoin for less than what it is right now. I think 35,000 was really the bottom. I mean, if it goes below that, we've got a real problem, because this thing is basically in line with the S&P 500. Unless there's a crash with the S&P 500, I just don't see it going down any further. So understanding this, okay, whatever comes out of this executive order, and whatever comes out of the research and the teams that are going to be put together by the Congress and the Senate, the way I see it, Bitcoin is fixing to explode. And when it explodes, it's just going to be like, everybody's going to be sitting around like, what happened? How did this happen? And for those out there who don't know who Miss Wood is, you should be Googling who she is and listen to what she's saying. She's out here saying that, all of the crypto is going to explode and it's coiling up. It's going to be like a spring. It's going to go higher than it's ever been. I think everybody needs to listen to what Cathie Wood is saying. Okay. She knows what she's talking about. And oh, by the way, so do I. Believe me when I tell you, there ain't no way in hell anybody's going to get me to sell my Bitcoin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.